In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can use the strength cards that our students made last year to develop emotional literacy with your children. So we had our students make these beautiful sets of strength cards, and the strength cards are strengths that we talk about in school during our Respect for Relationships program in social emotional learning. So one of the ways that you might be interested in using these cards is to help your child problem solve. For example, if they came home, they've had a bit of a tough day and they're telling you that they've had a fight with a friend and you're not sure what you should do about it or how to approach the conversation, it might be nice to take out your strength cards and say, well, how are you feeling? And then they might say that they were taking out one and they were saying, oh, I was feeling really grumpy, how can you solve this problem? Okay, I could solve this problem by maybe showing a bit of kindness, and you can talk about what that would look like. Or you could say that they could help solve the problem by having a bit of self-control, and you could talk about what self-control means and the ways that they could show more self-control the next time that they come. You might even say things like maybe it would help to be able to laugh about the situation and use the funny strength card. So we can use the strength cards to help promote ways that we want the students to be solving some of their problems. Another way that you could use the strength cards would be to look at the different images. So I've got this beautiful strength card with resilience in it. And in this strength card we can see that one of the penguins is just alone by itself and it's got its friends on the other side of the ice cap. Maybe you'll talk to your children about what this penguin is feeling and how they're going through and about those emotions that they might be having. You could also talk with your child, help them to think about ways that they could solve some of their problems and show more resilience, and help them know that feeling a little bit like things are not okay is normal, but that they will become okay and they do have strategies they can use.